How to track objects in Davinci Resolve. So here I have a car with a license plate that I want to track, and I just want to put some text over the license plate. This is just an example video, so the way that you would track this is by selecting the video, going into Fusion, and here make sure that these two are deselected. So let's just remove that, remove the connection between those two. Right click here, somewhere in the middle, doesn't matter where. Go to add tool and search for tracking. Now in this case, because I wanna just have some text over the license plate, I'm gonna select tracker, but if you want your camera, if you want your zoom in to be tracked onto the license plate so that the only thing that you can see is the license plate, you can use the camera tracker. But in this case, I'm gonna be using the normal tracker. Just connect media into the tracker and the tracker to the media out. And now simply click this small button right here and drag this over the license plate. Now we can make this a bit bigger. There you go. Now what this basically does is whatever is in this little box right here, that's what it's gonna try and track. This outside box is area where it's gonna search for the object that's being tracked. Now I know this is a very slow video. The car moves in slow motion, so it's not gonna be that hard to track this, so I'm just gonna make it a bit smaller. Let's say we just want to add some text. The way that you would do this is by first making sure nothing is selected, and then clicking this text plus icon right here. Once you click that, it'll open up this node right here, and all you gotta do is connect this to the tracker. Whoops. Connect that to the tracker, and let's just type in something so you can see. Let's just type in something random. Now you gotta go back to the tracker. Let's get this at the start of the video. What you want to do now is click this button right here, track forward from current time. So it did lose the license plate at one point. Let's just try and fix that. Where did it lose it? It lost it somewhere right here. So let's just hold the CTRL and scroll up. Let's zoom in. Let's see where did it lose the license plate. So yeah, right here, it's off of the license plate for some reason. Whoops. Let's just grab this, drag it all the way to the license plate, go another frame. Now let's make this smaller like that. And then let's track it from here. Let's do this. And there you go. We fixed it basically. Now what you want to do now is add the text. We already added it. We just had some trouble with the tracker. Now we can't see the text. The way that you would fix this is by selecting the tracker, going into operation. Here under operation, click match move. And now once we go to the edit, whoops, let's go to the fusion again. Let's click on the text. Let's put this here on the license plate. Let's get the video going, and as you can see, the text is following the license plate. And there you go. That's how to track objects in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.